All right, let me show you something built for families who don't want to give up comfort just because they're chasing adventure. This is the 2026 Man Cave FW40SS, and honestly, it's kind of a game changer for folks with kids who want the outdoors to feel a little more like home. The story behind this one: a family with 2 young kids wanted a hauler that could handle their Polaris Ranger Northstar crew cab, maybe even a second side-by-side down the road, but still have a front bedroom with real twin beds for the little ones. What really stands out here is the upper deck bedroom with those twin beds, the dual zone mini split AC to keep everyone cool, and a bathroom that's actually big enough to feel like a bathroom, not a phone booth. Walking around the outside, the first thing you notice is how manageable this thing feels for its size. It's a full 40 feet long, but the 34 inches of ground clearance, you're not going to sweat those rocky roads or campground dips. The exterior height sits at 12 feet 2 inches, so you've got the presence and space without worrying about most overhangs. Up front, the hitch weight is about 2,900 pounds, which is beefy, but totally doable with a proper rig. It's all wrapped in a slick fiberglass finish, so it looks sharp and cleans up easily after a dusty weekend. All right, stepping inside, you can actually feel the difference that 107 inches of interior height makes. I'm just under 6 feet, and I've got plenty of headroom to stretch out. The flow is open with folding benches so you can chill or pile the kids in, and all the storage right where you need it. The front bedroom with those twin beds is perfect for little ones, and the big 48 by 36 shower in the bathroom means you're not elbowing the walls every morning. Everything feels practical but comfortable, with finishes that hold up to family life and still look good. Under the skin, this thing is built to handle real adventure. You've got a 21,000 pound fully loaded weight and a massive 9,000 pound payload capacity. So loading up side-by-sides, bikes, or whatever else you dream is no problem. You got triple axles and a steel frame, keeping things solid on the move. And the Bigfoot self-leveling system takes the drama out of setting up camp. You're set up with a 200 amp hour AGM battery and 50 amp service, so off-grid weekends are totally in play. These are the systems that make your trip smooth, no surprises, just fun. You can totally picture rolling out with the family, dust flying as you pull into a desert spot, then popping open the ramp and letting the kids run wild. Or maybe it's a track weekend, unloading the side-by-side, grabbing helmets from the overhead, and actually having room to hang out inside when the sun gets brutal. Even tailgates get an upgrade, with all the seating and the big shower to clean up after a muddy day. That payload really pays off when you want to bring all your toys and still have space for the creature comforts. So yeah, that's the 26 Man Cave FW40SS. It's big but easy to tow, super comfortable inside, and set up for real family adventure. If you want to check it out, just swing by. Ask for Rodney. He's the one that designed this. He can help you get exactly what you need, and we'll catch you on the next one.